Greetings world. We are Anonymous. Welcome to this instruction video of building a PC. I am going to show you how to replace your RAM, how to put in your power supply, and more. Enjoy. First we start with opening the case. We first have to unscrew it. Then slip it off. Now we can see the components inside. The motherboard, processor and fans are already placed. After you have inserted the power supply, tighten it with screws. Be careful please, don't break it. Now it's time to place the RAM. First off, firmly pick up your RAM. Now look for the little hole at the bottom of the RAM and align it with the protruding plastic on the slots. Now try to slide the RAM into the slot, push one side first, then the other. You should hear a click sound. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your RAM. Now we want to install our video card and network card. We start with the video card. Open the slot, and pick up the video card. The ports should be at the edge of the case and the connections should be at the bottom. Now slide it in, just like the RAM. Now repeat the same steps as with the network card. Align the connectors and slide it in. Next up, the hard drive. This one is fairly easy to install. Look for the long hard drive tray. It's located just under the optical drive slot. It's easy to notice. The ports of the hard drive should be at the top and the text should stand upwards. Now push it down. It could require some force. Now move on to the optical drive. This one is also easy to install. You just have to shove it in the optical drive bay from the outside, so not the inside. When in vertical stand, it's located at the front top. Now we have every component in place. We should connect the cables with the components. We start with the biggest power cable. This should be connected to the slot on the motherboard. The position depends on the motherboard. You just have to push it down. We do the same with the power cable for the processor. This has 4 pins. We continue with the SATA power cables, connecting it to the hard drive and optical drive. We finish the build by plugging in the SATA data cables. You need 2 cables. Plug one end in the hard drive and the other end in the SATA ports on the motherboard. Repeat this process with the optical drive. Now you can close the case if you want to. Congratulations, you just built your own PC. We are proud of you. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.